Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to change difficulty level in eFootball 2024. So let's get started. At first, click on this match over here. Now you can choose the team you want, match you want. Now select the home team and select your home team here. Now select the away team as well. Now here we can see the setting icon in the bottom left corner, so let's tap on this and click on this first option. Now we can see this match level option over here. Simply tap on this and you can change the level and simply click on done. So it's done. So this is all we can do to change match level in eFootball 2024. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.